Hey everyone, this is Ali G here, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of First Page Ranker. So this right here is the dashboard of First Page Ranker, and here you can get an overview of our entire system. For example, how many events have been scheduled, how many have been completed, how many active accounts you have, what are your limits and the notifications, plus the schedules of the past 15 days and the next 15 days. And you can see a summary of all the YouTube events, including completed events, pending events, and any events that may have been errored out for whatever reason. And then you can get a complete overview of all the medias that are included in First Page Ranker. That is, your images, videos, and all the videos created using the rebrander, the green screen, and all your YouTube downloads. So this is all about the dashboard, and now let's move to the account section. Here in the settings account, you can add your YouTube account and once you have added your account, you can go instantly live. And here you can go live in just minutes. Yes, that's right. All you need to do is just enter the title, tags, description, select your video category and thumbnail, and click on Go Live. So within 15 minutes, your video will be available and live on YouTube. So now let's go to the multi-spin events. Here you can create up to 20 events with just a single title and description. Here you can also generate a spin text dashboard with inbuilt synonym database. Yes, that's right. All you have to do is type in your title and description and click on this link. The automatic spin text generator. It will automatically generate spin text data based on your sentence, and then it will spin every title and description for every event. That is, you will get unique titles and description for each and every event. So that is all about our multi-spin events section. Now let's move to the automated events. Here you can customize each and every live event you want, including the time gap between the events. So this is a comprehensive live event creator. Here all you need to do is to click on Add New Row and enter the details and click on Add. And here you can select the video from our gallery. Click on thumbnails, like the image that you want, and select the channel in which you want that to go live. And if you have multiple roles and you want to use the same video, all you need to do is click on this checkbox, and it will automatically take the same video and the thumbnail for all the live events. It will automatically spin the video so that each and every video is unique. This is something that YouTube loves to see. So this is all about the automated events. So apart from this, we do have a great built-in video editor where you can upload a video, or else you can download a video from YouTube, and you can easily add an intro, outro, lower third, watermark, logo, or animated text, and you can easily rebrand any video from YouTube or your personalized for your personalized videos. So to do that, just go to Create Video, give a name, select the video file that you want to edit, click on Go. Here you can configure the intro, you can configure the outro here, click on Next. Here you can select the watermark and the position, lower third, and the text. And when you click on Submit, the system will start rendering your video, and in about 15 to 20 minutes, you will get your video ready. But however, it does, because our system is so good, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes actually. So that's a pleasant surprise. And now let's move to the image studio. Here you have an image gallery, image editor. This is our one-click and easy-to-use image editor. So all you have to do is click on Image Editor. Our editor will load up. Just click on Create New, click on Create, and you will get the frame. Here you can do anything you want. For example, if you want to add text, let's click on Text, click on the font. Here you will get the text. So I'll just be changing the color to pink. So that's it. You can just click and move it around, and so the same thing goes for all the other sections. So now let's move to another section, and let's move to the lead generation section. Here in this section, you can find a lead from Facebook. You can contact them. You can schedule and have multiple emails scheduled so that you can engage them and convert them. So you will get all the tools under this section. Lead search that will help you to find the leads, and find analytics will help you to find on-page SEO reports. That is the basic SEO report of the client's website, and email template will allow you to add customized email templates as well, as you can use our built-in email templates as well if you like. And the scheduled email section will help you schedule multiple emails to any client. Now the last section is SEO analysis. This is a comprehensive SEO checker for your website, for any website. That is, you can use for yourself or your clients. It will give a complete 100% white labeled report with all the factors that are missing. So for example, let me show you a sample report here. So this is one of the websites that we have tested, and you can see it shows all the factors that are missing that is expected by Google but is not here. You can generate a complete 100% white labeled PDF report, and you can send it out to any client and convert them in a way better way. So this is all about our first page ranker in action in a quick demo. Thank you.